Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about IO device management and secondary storage management. Let's start. Device management in operating system manages all hardware and virtual devices of a computer or PC. So it manages all hardware or virtual devices which are connected to the computer or PC. The device management system allocates input-output devices to the process based on priority and reallocate as well, either temporarily or permanently depending upon the condition. So device management system allocate or deallocate the processes, okay, according to their priority, and it also it may be temporarily or permanently depending upon the condition. Now let's see what are IO devices. The execution of applications doesn't rely on only the CPU and memory but other hardware components as well. So execution of application doesn't, it's not like it will depend on CPU and memory only. It will depend on other hardware components as well. What are the components connected to the PC or computer? So it will rely on them also. Some of these components are specifically tied to receiving inputs or directing output, and these are referred to as IO devices. So there will be some IO devices which some components that are specifically tied to receiving input and output only. So these input and output devices are called as IO devices. Let's see examples of IO devices: keyboard, microphone, displays, speakers, mic, network interface card. So these are the IO devices included. IO device management hides the variation of some hardware devices from the user. So what IO device management do? It hides variation of some hardware devices from the users. Means it will not show each and everything to user how it is using the hardware devices. Following are the features of IO device management. Buffer caching system provides general device driver code, provides drivers for particular hardware devices, helps know the individualities of a device. Secondary storage management. Programs help access data in the main memory during execution. So program helps access data in the main memory during execution. The main memory is too small and cannot store all the data in programs permanently. It's small in size, that's why it cannot store data in program permanently. That means main memory is volatile. If we powers of the computer, the whatever we have done in our computer, that will be vanished. Thus secondary storage acts as backup for the main memory. Assemblers and compilers are stored on the disk until they are loaded into the main memory and use the disk for processing. So that's why we use secondary storage, which acts as backup for the main memory. And assemblers and compilers are stored on disk until they are loaded into the memory and use the disk for processing. Following are the features of secondary storage management: allocate storage, manage free space, disk scheduling. So these are the features of secondary storage management. This is all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Do like, share and comment.